What's up, guys? Chris Racana, Director of Success with Dr. Beasley's, just outside the Dr. Beasley's clean room in the overflow bay. So what you're looking at right behind me is actually 1,100 matte paint prescription kits that are getting ready to send out to Hyundai. We've had a professional relationship with Hyundai since 2013. Started with their matte Veloster, and then it moved on to their Ironman Kona vehicle. As you guys might have seen, Hyundai has a new luxury brand, Genesis. Well, Genesis has actually expanded their relationship with Dr. Beasley's as well. So every brand new matte Genesis that comes into North America, that's US and Canada, is also going to be delivered with one of these Dr. Beasley's matte paint prescription kits with all the accessories. So what I wanted to really talk about today was two issues. Number one, I think this is a signal that this is a sea change in the American consciousness as far as how Americans take care of their cars. You know, it used to be we were in the minority as the car guys who wanted to maintain the aesthetic look of their car, who wanted to keep it looking beautiful, looking at its best. Now I think we're seeing that expand and seep into the greater American consciousness, as illustrated by this giant shipment of matte paint prescriptions that's going out to Hyundai, because these are going to be placed in the trunks and delivered with those matte Hyundai cars for those owners to be able to take care of their vehicles and maintain their matte appearance to the best of their ability. So that is the first point. Bigger and kind of more narrowly focused is what this means to the Dr. Beasley's Authorized detailer. This is huge because what happens is these boxes are placed into the trunk of these matte Hyundais that are going to be delivered. Customer takes delivery of matte Hyundai, opens up trunk, finds beautiful kit, reads about it, gets all excited about it, but then maybe I should have a professional install this coating for me. And this is where they reach out to Dr. Beasley's. They end up on my desk, and then I'm referring them to an authorized detailer. So this is creating a workflow, sending business to our authorized detailers. But there's also another opportunity here, guys, because when you're dealing with these customers who call you for these matte paint prescriptions, there is a opening here. You would be remiss as a salesperson, as a customer service expert, if you do not inform your customer that there is an even upper echelon coating that is available. So they call you and they say, hey, you know, I got this kit, you know, what can you tell me about it? What it's going to charge me to install it? You have to be able to tell them that, you know, okay, you have your matte paint prescription, but did you know that there's also a pro coating available that's a self-healing coating? So you have a natural upsell there too. So this is creating opportunities for our authorized detailer network as well. So let's have a look of what's inside these matte paint prescription kits that these customers are going to find. So inside these lovely white boxes, we're going to have a 5-gallon bucket, and we're going to start, of course, with our matte paint prescription. Here you're going to have our matte body wash, our matte paint cleanser, our matte paint coating, and finally our matte final finish. Also included is going to be 2 wash pads. These are the synthetic wool wash pads, which I actually love these over the mitts, just because with mitts, you always got to worry about the cuff. You know, are those cuffs going to be scratching your finish? I hope not. So why not even bother using the cuffs? The other thing you're going to have in there is a 2-pack of foam applicators, as well as a 2-pack of microfiber towels. And finally, your grit guard. Like I said, can you expand from this collection and go to a second bucket with the second grit guard to do the 2-bucket method and all that? Absolutely. But this provides that Hyundai customer with the essentials that they're going to need to maintain that matte finish. So guys, the other thing to keep in mind is if you are a current Hyundai or Genesis owner with a matte finish car, we do have VIP programs for you available. So click on the link down below and we'll be able to get you signed up for those VIP programs. So again, guys, I thank you so much for tuning in today. I was really excited to bring this great news to you. I hope you all are making plans to spend the holidays with your loved ones. Enjoy time with your family. It is so very important to take some time away and get with your family. But guess what? In the new year, we're going to be right back here bringing you great new stuff, great new content, and awesome new cars.